Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 4th standard. Children, in the previous class we learnt about multiplication. In this class we will learn about divide numbers by grouping. Understand that division is repeated subtraction. Compare multiplication and division. Divide the dividend by one digit number without remainder and with remainder. Solve statement problems related to our daily life from the division chapter. Children, observe the numbers of balls that Karan has. How many balls he has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 balls he has. Can you help him to distribute balls equally among 4 friends? He distributes one ball to each of his friends. Now, how many balls are left with him after distribution? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls are left with him. Can he distribute one ball to each friends in the second time? Now, how many balls are left with him? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are left with him. He can distribute one ball each to his friends another time. Now, are there any balls remaining with Karan? Think, children. No. No balls with Karan. Each friend of Karan has 3 balls. So 12 balls can be distributed into 4 groups of 3 balls in each group using division sign. The above process can also be written as 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Children, see this picture. 4 friends had been to a mango orchard and plucked 32 mangoes. These mangoes were shared equally among them. How many of mangoes will each one get? Now we will divide the mangoes equally among the friends. How many friends are there? Number of friends is 4. How many mangoes to be distributed? Number of mangoes to be distributed is 32. Now we should find out number of mangoes each friend will get. This one we will write in the division form is 32 divided by 4. Here 32 is dividend, 4 is the divisor. In 4 tables, where do we get 32? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Write 8 in quotient place and write 32 below 32. Now we should subtract 32 minus 32. First we should subtract 2 and 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Next we should subtract 3 and 3. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, number of mangoes each friend will get is 8. Children, now we should divide the following by repeated subtraction. First will be given the dividend and the divisor. We should subtract the divisor from the dividend until we get 0. Here dividend is 25 and divisor is 5. Now we should subtract 5 from 25. 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. Now again we should subtract 5 from 20. 20 minus 5 is equals to 15. Again we should subtract 5 from 15. 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. Again we should subtract 5 from 10. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Again we should subtract 5 from 5. 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. How many times did we subtract? Yes, we should subtract 5 times. Therefore, 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. Therefore, division is repeated subtraction of the same number from the given number. Children, see the first figure. Count the number of stars in the first figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 stars are there. Observe the number of rows and number of stars in each row. 20 stars are equally distributed in 4 rows. There are 5 stars in each row. Can this be expressed in the following way using multiplication and division? 4 into 5 is equals to 20. By multiplication fact, 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5 by division fact. Children, observe the second figure. Here also 20 stars are equally distributed in 5 rows and 4 stars in each row. Can you express this in multiplication and division in the following ways? 5 into 4 is equals to 20. This is the multiplication fact. 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. This is the division fact. In multiplication, we find the product of two numbers. In division, we can find the missing number if the other number and the product can known. Children, here for each multiplication form, we should write the corresponding division form. What is 7 threes? 7 threes are 21. Here the product will be the dividend and multiplicand and multiplier will be the divisor and quotient. Here product is 21. So dividend will be 21. The multiplicand and multiplier is 7 and 3. Now the division form will be 21 divided by 7 equals to 3. Now we will interchange divisor and quotient. Therefore 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. Children, see the next question. 8 multiplied by 9. What is 8 nines? 8 nines are 72. Here the product will be the dividend and the multiplicand and multiplier will be the divisor and quotient. Here product is 72. So dividend will be 72. The multiplicand and multiplier is 8 and 9. Now the division form will be 72 divided by 8 equals to 9. Now we will interchange divisor and quotient. Therefore 72 divided by 9 equals to 8. Children, now we should divide the following. See the first question. 88 divided by 2. Here 2 is divisor, 88 is dividend. Divide 8 tenths by 2. In two tables, where do we get 8? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Write 4 as the first digit of the quotient. Subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Write remainder as 0. Bring down 8 ones, next 0. Divide 8 ones by 2. In two tables, where do we get 8? 2 fours are 8. Write 4 as next digit of quotient. Subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Write remainder as 0. Therefore, 88 divided by 2 is equals to 44. The number that divides is divisor. The number to be divided is dividend. The number that remains after dividing is remainder. The answer we get on dividing the numbers is quotient. Children, now we should divide 792 by 6. 792 is dividend, 6 is divisor. Now we should divide the first digit, that is 7. 7 will not come in 6 tables. So we should take the nearest number in 6 tables lesser than 7. That is 6. 6 ones are 6. Write 1 in quotient place and write 6 below 7 and subtract it. 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. Now we should take second digit, that is 9, and write here. It becomes 19. 19 will not come in 6 tables. So we will take nearest number. Which is the nearest number? Yes, 18. 6 threes are 18. Write 3 in quotient place and write 18 below 19 and subtract it. 19 minus 18 is equals to 1. Next we should take third digit, that is 2, and write here. It becomes 12. In 6 tables, 12 will come. Yes, 6 twos are 12. Write 2 in quotient place and write 12 below 12 and subtract it. 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we got quotient as 132 and remainder is 0. Therefore, 792 divided by 6 is equals to 132. Children, now we should divide 93 by 7. Here 93 is dividend, 7 is divisor. Now we should divide the first digit, that is 9. 9 will not come in 7 table. So we should take the nearest number lesser than 9, that is 7. 7 ones are 7. Write 1 in quotient place and write 7 below 9 and subtract it. 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Now we should take second digit, that is 3, and write here. It becomes 23. 23 will not come in 7 tables. So we will take nearest number lesser than 23, that is 21. 7 threes are 21. Write 3 in quotient place and write 21 below 23 and subtract it. 23 minus 21 is equals to 2. Now we got quotient as 13 and remainder is 2. Therefore, 93 divided by 7 is equals to 13. Children, see the next question. 8374 divided by 5. Here, 8374 is dividend, 5 is divisor. Now we should divide the first digit, that is 8. 8 will not come in 5 table. So we will take nearest number lesser than 8, that is 5. 5 ones are 5. Write 1 in quotient place and write 5 below 8 and subtract it. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Now we should take second digit, that is 3, and write here. It becomes 33. 33 will not come in 5 tables. So we should take nearest number, that is 30. 5 6 are 30. Write 5 in quotient place and write 30 below 33 and subtract it. 33 minus 30 is equals to 3. Next we should take third digit, that is 7, and write here. It becomes 37. Does 37 come in 5 tables? No, 37 will not come in 5 tables. So we should take nearest number, that is 35. 5 sevens are 35. Write 7 in quotient place and write 35 below 37 and subtract it. 37 minus 35 is equals to 2. Next we should take fourth digit, that is 4, and write here. It becomes 24. 24 will not come in 5 tables. So we should take nearest number, that is 20. 5 fours are 20. Write 4 in quotient place and write 20 below 24 and subtract it. 24 minus 20 is equals to 4. Now we got quotient as 1674 and 4 is the remainder. Therefore, 8374 divided by 5 is equals to 1674. Children, see the next question. 2375 divided by 4. Here 2375 is dividend, 4 is divisor. We should divide the first digit, that is 2. 2 is lesser than 4. So we will take first 2 digits, that is 23. 23 will not come in 4 tables. So we should take nearest number, that is 20. 4 5s are 20. Write 5 in quotient place and write 20 below 23 and subtract it. 23 minus 20 is equals to 3. Next we should take third digit, that is 7, and write here. It becomes 37. 37 will not come in 4 tables. So we should take nearest number, that is 36. 4 9s are 36. Write 9 in quotient place and write 36 below 37 and subtract it. 37 minus 36 is equals to 1. Now we should take fourth digit, that is 5, and write here. It becomes 15. 15 will not come in 4 table. So we should take nearest number, that is 12. 4 3s are 12. Write 3 in quotient place and write 12 below 15 and subtract it. 15 minus 12 is equals to 3. We cannot divide further because remainder 3 is lesser than divisor 4. Therefore, 2375 divided by 4 is equals to 593. Children, now we should solve the word problems. First, we should read the question. 4 students can sit on a bench. How many benches are needed for 64 children to sit? How many students are there in one bench? Number of students in one bench is 4. Totally how many students are there? Total number of students is 64. Now we should find out the total number of benches needed to sit 64 children. 64 divided by 4. Here 64 is dividend, 4 is the divisor. Now we should divide the first digit, that is 6. 6 will not come in 4 table. So we should take nearest number lesser than 6, that is 4. 4 ones are 4. Write 1 in quotient place and write 4 below 6 and subtract it. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Next we should take second digit, that is 4, and write here. It becomes 24. 24 will come in 4 ones are tables. Yes, 4 6s are 24. Write 6 in quotient place and write 24 below 24 and subtract it. 24 minus 24 is equals to 0. Therefore 64 divided by 4 is equals to 16. 64 divided by 4. Here 64 is dividend, 4 is the divisor. Therefore 16 benches are needed for 64 children to sit. Children, now we will solve another word problem. First we should read the question. 255 children went on a picnic. They travelled in 5 buses. How many children travelled in each bus? Totally how many children went on a picnic? Number of children went to picnic is 255. How many buses did they go? Number of buses is 5. Now we should find the number of children in each bus. Here 255 is dividend, 5 is divisor. Now we should divide the first digit, that is 2. 2 is lesser than 5. So we should take double digit, that is 25. 25 will come in 5 table. Yes, 5 5s are 25. Write 5 in quotient place and write 25 below 25 and subtract it. 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Next we should take third digit, that is 5, and write here. It becomes 5. 5 ones are 5. Write 1 in quotient place and write 5 below 5. Now we should subtract 5 and 5. 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore 255 divided by 5 is equals to 51. Therefore 51 children travelled in each bus. Children, today we will learn division with the help of an activity. Division as equal distribution. For this activity, the things that we needed are 4 colored squares and we need 16 leaves. Now we should divide these 16 leaves into 4 groups equally. First we will keep one leaf in each box. First 16 leaves were there. We kept one leaf in each box. Now 12 leaves are left. Again we kept one leaf in each box. Now each box has 2 leaves and 8 leaves are left. Again we kept one leaf in each box. Now each box has 3 leaves and 4 leaves are left. Again we kept one leaf in each box. Now each box has 4 leaves. When we divided into 16 leaves in 4 groups, 4 leaves in each group, we have symbol for all the mathematical operation. So like this we have a symbol of division also. This is called divided by. Now here 16 leaves divided into 4 groups. There are 4 leaves in each group. Therefore 16 leaves are divided into 4 groups with 4 leaves in each box. Therefore 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Children, do this homework. Divide the following. First one 91 divided by 7. Second one 8464 divided by 4. Third one 325 divided by 5. And complete the textbook page number 104, 105, 107 and 108 and do this activity. Take 4 circles and put 20 triangles equally.